working ama from the Philippines, a newly established hair company in the Philippines. And I am a engineer by profession, and I started my own business to help me achieve my dreams and provide for my family, and also help provide jobs for more Filipinos. So my mainly goal in life is, yeah, to provide job for my for the other Filipinos who are longing to also provide well for their family.
So you say that you are a pioneer in the hair industry.
Yeah, I am a pioneer in the first big Filipino hair company in the Philippines.
Wow.
I worked there for almost 5 years, and I mainly handled the customer service, this sales, marketing, warehouse, and quality control department. And I was able to set up or establish their procedures and help the company grow. When I arrived there, there was just about less than 10 customers. But then when I moved out from the company, I left them with hundreds of customers.
Wow.
Yeah, I usually go to different countries, in China, in London, and in Italy to represent the company in different trade shows. And now I am hopefully praying that I will do the same for my own business.
Yes, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Is there anything else you want to share, or?
Actually, it is. I am very God dependent. I am very God fearing. I always believe that it's not me who is able to do all of this, but it's the Lord that provided me the wisdom, the strength. I cannot do this alone without Him.
Yeah.
Actually, when I changed my life, when I decided to know more about Jesus and the Lord, my life totally changed.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yes.
totally changed. I become I become happier in life. I prosper, and I have a big development on my personal growth. And I tend to understand people more. I don't become too judgmental on what is happening on their own life. And for me, the biggest or the greatest investment that I have is the Bible that I bought before I do my business. So I am really a believer of God.
Yes, me too. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
awesome.
yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Malagu curl.
Malagu. Okay.
This one is Matahong curl.
Mataho.
This one we don't have the name yet.
Okay.
And this one is Marikit.
Harikit. This looks like a deep wave. Yeah. And then this one almost similar to maybe something like a spiral flume.
Yeah.
I like how it's a deep, you can part very deeply on the closure.
That can be customized actually.
It's very soft and it's pretty thick. Do you mind if I record so I can remember notes? Okay.
But this is still under testing.
Okay. So you said if I wanted you to make a specific curl, I need to get at least minimum of
5 kilos.
5 kilos. Okay. And what is your pricing usually for your lengths and then for your closures and your frontals?
Actually, we have the price per kilo. I can send it to you.
Okay, great.
If you have WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Even the short hair.
So she's washing
We put our steamed hair.
your steamed hair for
Yeah,
the
those are
curls.
the rods.
Wow. Awesome.
So even the laces we cook here.
The laces.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. To make sure it's all.
Actually today we don't have work because we work last Sunday.
Okay. So, what was the issue that you found with getting hair from vendors instead of sourcing it yourself?
With hair benders, there are times or mostly they mix short hairs in a long bundle of hair. In that case, you are cheated because when you buy hair per gram, you paid 14 inch for a 24 inches price. So that will totally affect or kill your margin, kill your profit, and at the same time, you will not be able to produce the healthiest hair or hair extension that you could ever have. Because if there are too much short hairs in a bundle, there will be lots of flyaways. And the weight will also be affected because if a one donor, if a one head of raw hair can be wefted into a bundle, and if you buy to a vendor, that is not possible because you will need two donors to make one bundle. Because of the short hairs, you have to remove it, so the bundle will look full. The bundle will meet the quality of a single drawn hair.
So, single drawn. What's the difference between single drawn and double drawn?
Single drawn hair means 70% to 80% of the bundle are of the same length, while double drawn hair means 100% of the bundle are of the same length. Double drawn is the highest quality of hair that you can buy from the market.